Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to study a biology textbook step by step. First, prepare your study space by gathering essential materials like highlighters, pens, and a dedicated notebook. Next, take about 5 to 10 minutes to preview the chapter. Skim through headings, subheadings, and any end-of-chapter summaries to grasp the main topics. This initial overview helps you create a mental map of the content, making subsequent reading more focused and efficient. Setting a clear goal for each study session, like mastering a particular concept, is also crucial. As you delve into the text, engage in active reading. Highlight only the most crucial terms and main ideas, aiming for about 1 to 2 sentences per paragraph. Immediately after reading a section, pause and summarize the content in your own words in your notebook. This active recall significantly boosts retention. Additionally, transform headings into questions before reading the section, then actively seek the answers within the text. This question and answer approach keeps your mind engaged and focused on understanding. To truly solidify your understanding, dedicate time to reinforcement. Make flashcards for key vocabulary, intricate diagrams, and complex biological processes. Aim for at least 10 to 50 new cards per chapter. Visual learners benefit greatly from drawing concept maps or flowcharts, which illustrate connections between different ideas. Try to explain difficult concepts aloud, as if teaching someone else. This method, known as the Feynman technique, quickly reveals gaps in your knowledge and strengthens your grasp of the material. Finally, apply and practice what you've learned. Work through all end-of-chapter questions and practice problems independently before checking your answers. This self-assessment is vital for identifying areas needing more attention. Regular review is also key. Spend about 15 minutes each day revisiting your notes and textbook material from previous sessions. Actively connect new information with concepts you've already mastered, building a robust and interconnected understanding of biology. This consistent effort ensures long-term retention.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.